Welcome to the future, where technology reigns supreme. Imagine creating a YouTube channel with minimal human effort, all thanks to the marvel of artificial intelligence. Intrigued? Let's dive right in. First things first, identify your niche. Whether it's sports, cooking, or tech reviews, having a clear theme is key. But here's where AI steps in, analyzing trending topics and suggesting the most lucrative niches based on real-time data. Next, AI can assist in creating your channel name and logo. With AI's creative prowess, you can generate hundreds of unique, catchy names and logos in a split second. Now, content creation might seem daunting, but not when you have AI by your side. From scripting to editing, AI can automate the entire process, saving you time and effort. But what about growing your audience? AI's got it covered with its ability to analyze viewer behavior and preferences and optimize your content accordingly. Finally, AI can even help with monetizing your channel by identifying the best ad placements and suggesting the most profitable partnerships. So why wait? Embrace the future and let AI be your guide in your YouTube journey. Remember, it's not just about making videos, it's about making an impact. With AI, your YouTube channel can reach new heights. This is the dawn of a new era where AI and creativity merge to create magic. And you, my friend, can be a part of this exciting journey. On that note, we wrap up. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating.